Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your environment supports Apple Cash. Check country, Apple ID, and two-factor authentication. Next, update iOS. Many issues resolve with the latest release. Once done, enable Face ID or Touch ID for payments so authentication won't block Apple Cash. Then open Wallet, add a debit card, and finish bank verification steps. The why is simple. Apple Cash needs a verified identity, a supported OS, and a trusted payment method before it becomes You now work through the detailed checks that fix most stuck states. Start in Settings, right arrow Wallet and Apple Pay, and confirm Apple Cash is enabled. If the toggle is missing, sign out of iCloud and sign back in to refresh account entitlements. Make sure date and time are automatic. Incorrect time can break Apple servers. Reset network settings if connectivity seems flaky, and call your bank to confirm there are no pending holds or security blocks that prevent activation. You finish by removing and re-adding the card and wallet, then re-enable Apple Cash and perform a small $1 test to confirm flow. If problems persist, contact Apple support and your bank, provide screenshots, the error text, and times so they can trace the issue. If instructed, back up your device, erase it, and restore from that backup. This clears deep configuration conflicts. One final tip. Always check that automatic date and time is on before any phone-level restore. It prevents server authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.